Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make your website navigation look professional and super user-friendly by creating menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. If you've ever wanted to organize your site and give your visitors a clear, seamless browsing experience, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up drop-down menus, and your site will be a whole lot easier to navigate. Let's get started. First thing, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. Once you're logged in and inside your website editor, you'll see all the tools Wix gives you to customize your website. Now, if you're aiming to create those neat-looking menu tabs with drop-down pages, sometimes called subpages or submenus, this process is actually pretty straightforward. The magic happens in the Pages and Menu section. So look for the toolbar or sidebar, depending on your layout, and click into Pages and Menu. This is where all of your site's pages are listed. Think of it like the table of contents for your website. If you've ever been to a site where, for example, there's a main tab called Shop, and when you hover over it, it expands to show more options like All Products or Sales. That's exactly what we're about to create. Take a look at your site menu. Here, you'll see the main pages, and you can easily rearrange their order by dragging and dropping. Now, if you want a page to appear as a drop-down under another page, the first thing to do is decide which one will be the main page and which will be the subpage. For example, say you want a page called Shop to live under all shops. Maybe you have several specialized shops and want to make browsing easy for your visitors. Here's how. Simply click on the page you want to turn into a subpage. In our examples, that's Shop, and drag it right underneath the main category, All Shops. Pause for a moment and make sure you see the indentation as you drag, and drop it slightly to the right beneath All Shops. This is Wix's way of showing you that the page is about to become a subpage or drop-down item. If it doesn't look quite right on the first try, just try dragging a little slower. It can take a second to get used to how Wix recognizes subpages. Once it's in place, you'll notice three little dots next to the page's name. Click on those dots to open a menu and select Set as Subpage. This is Wix's confirmation that you really want Shop to be nested under All Shops. Once you do that, you'll see the menu visually update, and the page will display as a drop-down when visitors hover over All Shops on your published site. And just like that, your menu will get a lot more organized. Feel free to repeat the process for as many drop-down tabs as you want, grouping pages any way that makes sense for your content. This little bit of effort goes a long way for visitors. A clean navigation means people stay longer and find what they're looking for without frustration. If you make a mistake or want to move things around later, don't worry. You can always drag pages back to reorder or remove them from subpages at any time. That's it. See, organizing your site in Wix with drop-down menus is easy and really effective. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more step-by-step Wix tutorials and website tips. Happy designing, and see you next time.